In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the content warning and adult content restriction on X, formerly known as Twitter, in a few simple steps. If you've been seeing that warning and you know your settings should allow sensitive media, this guide will help you adjust the correct options and check a couple of common issues that can still block content from showing up. This is a quick but important fix for anyone who uses X regularly and wants to view posts without the warning getting in the way. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your X account on your browser or in the app. Once you're signed in, look for the More option in the side menu. Click on More, then open Settings and Privacy. This is where most of the content visibility options are stored, so make sure you're in the right place before changing anything. Next, click on Privacy and Safety. Inside that menu, find and select content you see. This section controls what kind of media and posts X is allowed to display to your account. Here, you want to turn on the option that says Display media that may contain sensitive content. Make sure this setting is enabled because if it's off, X may keep filtering content and showing warnings even when you don't want it to. After that, go back one step and open Search Settings. In Search Settings, turn off Hide Sensitive Content. This is another important option because if it stays enabled, X can continue hiding posts and media in search results and timelines. Once both settings are adjusted, refresh X and try opening the content again. In many cases, that alone is enough to remove the warning and let the media load normally. But if you're still seeing the adult content warning after changing those settings, there's one more thing you need to check. Go back into your account settings and open your account. From there, choose Account Information. Make sure your date of birth is correct. X uses age information to determine whether certain content should be restricted, so an incorrect birthday can cause warnings to appear even when your display settings are turned on. If X asks you to complete any age verification request, follow those prompts carefully and finish the verification process. That step can be required before sensitive content is fully unlocked on your account. Keep in mind that even after all of this, some adult content may still remain restricted. That can happen because of age requirements, regional restrictions, or account limitations set by X. So if you've done everything correctly and the warning still appears, the issue may not be your settings anymore. At that point, the restriction may be enforced by the platform itself. So to recap, the main fix is to log into X, go to More, then Settings and Privacy, then Privacy and Safety, then Content you see, and enable display media that may contain sensitive content. After that, go to Search Settings and turn off Hide Sensitive Content. Then, refresh the app or website and check your account information if needed. This is the fastest way to troubleshoot the content warning and adult content issue on X. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.